This is Jomar, and today I'm with Roel Geolina, and he's from Malabon, and he is the second man or dad to join the Three Nights 2X client getting website workshop. And welcome, Roel, to our workshop. Tell us a little bit about yourself, family life, etc., work life. Yan, go.
Yes, hi. Good evening. Good day, Sir Jomar. Thanks for having me. I'm Roel Jolina. I'm a dad of two, married, and I'm working at home 2 years na. Pero ano na, 14 plus years na sa BPO industry. Actually, on and off. So, nag-join sa upcoming workshop.
Kasi I can hear, everybody here.
Sir.
Usually off or legs, much better. I can solve it. Wait lang. Oh yeah, okay, let's try. Anong work mo? 14 years? Ano yan? What do you do?
14 years mostly ang experience ko, sir. Frontline agents, customer service, technical support, lahat ng voice role na ikot ko na
14 years. But how about yung sabi mo, 2 years work from home? Paano?
for most of those years. And dumating lang ako sa point na nag-work from home ako. Even pandemic, 2020, hindi ako naka-work from home. Nag-work from home lang ako for like 2 months, pero mas preferred ko yung on-site. Naging work from home lang ako nung nagbumukod na kami ng family. Everyday ako Then I decided to resign. 3 months akong wala.
So new work to.
Yes po, for 2 years na ako ngayon, work from home na yun, sir.
So is it still a voice job pa rin?
Yes po, 70% I would say. Back office yung role ko pero outbound calling sa mga offices related doon client ko which is a law firm.
Foreigner law firm, tama ba?
Yes po, US.
Well, Filipino.
American accent at some point.
Mag-demo, sorry.
Yeah, like, hi, this is Roel, Juliana, or I can just, hi, I'm calling about this. I'm just thinking.
Experience kasi. Okay, at natanong yan. So you joined our teka lang, family-wise, you have like 2 kids, I don't know. Tell us a little bit lang about your family life.
Yes, yung aking eldest is 4 years old. Just turned 5 last July 4. Boy, and my youngest is also a boy going 3 sa December. And yun, masaya kasi naka-work from home. So anytime, playtime, mag-work time sa room. Which is I really looking forward nga to have another skill. This is one of the way, hopefully, para kahit nandiyan sila, just roaming around, talking.
Sa workshop itself, so youngest is 3, tama ba intindi ko? Eldest is
5 po, yes.
5. So
yes.
you have to do it. So, hello.
Yes.
Don't worry, pag laki naman, welcome. So, question, before ka nag-sign up for the workshop, the 3 Nights 2X, you were doing other stuff on top of work. Anong situation mo nun before you joined? Or parang before? So, yun lang, just tell us a story, show us that world.
Yes.
Yung state ng mind mo,
side hustle. Then I came across with your affiliate marketing success, second incomes book, which I bought. I proudly bought. Then I read the book and then I learned the pattern. And I understand then na may cost, and that cost for now is it's a big deal for me. I would say as a starting up a family. Tapos ngayon so far ako lang yung nag-work. Then I'm trying to find other resources. So when I talk to my wife because we're doing brainstorming about the stuff that start siya ng online business niya which is going first year na sa accessories, going 1 year, and then I let her do that. Then
using what? Anong benta?
Through Facebook so far, sir.
Direct? Hindi marketplace?
Marketplace, I think. Yes. Jewelries po, mga stainless steel, earrings, bracelet, down po.
How do people like sell? I buy this Gcash, mine, ganun ba yan?
Yes, ganun online selling, going hard. Hindi siya sa posting mostly posting siya.
Thank you.
Yun, in addition, sir, from US. Then I started to wonder, search ako online, Then I found Digistore 24, kung familiar ka sa
Yes, of course.
affiliate
Kilala.
market as you go along, which is called also Launchpad.
Can I ask?
Belcher,
Ay,
that's
Perry.
that's for ano, $10 a month lang.
Luma na yan. Si Perry personally.
Okay.
Okay. Go for it.
Ang approach nila is may Google, Facebook group, tapos lang live every Wednesday nighttime sa Philippines, tapos
Okay.
and yun, medyo vague yung material, yung laptop assignments, pero siguro for me hindi ko siya na-execute until to the point na stop learning, start doing.
Uh,
2 months, lahat ng book about affiliate marketing,
Kinuha mo.
yes, kinuha
Mm.
ko.
Wow, ah.
Tapos
I did the same thing, so I know where you're coming from. I mean,
kaya
tiningnan.
isa different path naman, I gain naman knowledge, but then again the execution, application.
Nga, blip.
What made you move then? At least meron na akong email domain nung bonus workshop dun sa Second Income's book. That was April. I was convinced to get my domain. Yes, of course, just 1 year until now. I still have it and looking forward
Mm.
to connect that to the funnel that I'm going to create with your workshop.
Yeah, madali. Technical yon. I usually do it for my students. Yung connecting the domain to the ano yan, to the marketing app that we're using, and you just do it once in your life. Anyway, tuloy tayo. Maganda, interesting. So, you went through all the books. Hindi ka affiliate marketing book sa Amazon.
Well, yung sa affiliate,
Okay. So, yung one thing that you're hoping that the workshop, the 3 nights 2x workshop will fix for you, what is that?
yun nga, learning syndrome, but this time I want to do it and see what will be the outcome for my freelancing career.
Nung workshop, yung dalawa na yon at the same time. Yeah, thank you.
I have extra, that's why I bought
Mm.
the book. Then,
Mm.
syempre, when you have family, medyo gumagano pa, may shaky part pa eh. And she's asking me, oh no, so of course, so far, hindi pa feasible by the outcome itself from the book na yung go on full launch. May cost talaga siya like any other business, and minimum at least 3,000 plus you can start affiliate. Yes, by having those tools, which is very important for the business to. So yun, for this upcoming workshop, because I'm pretty sure I'll have something that I can be proud of na pa namang 1 year ago.
Okay.
And then I have to secure her about what I'm going. But 'di
Mm.
ba, kahit na may ganun kami, I don't know, many months ago, 3N 2X client getting Launchpad.
Salt agad.
Yes.
Not selling. This is marketing. So, pag in marketing, kung wala, we're not selling products. Workshop, we're gonna build that product, which is either, actually, itong workshop natin, you will build na websites or literally 4 na funnels. 3 sample businesses ang yourself. Tapos the 3 ones are 3 actual businesses na i-reach out na. Maraming business owners si ma'am ng business owners na gusto ng libreng website. Plus also, pero I'm pretty sure not all can do the website. So, pwedeng pagawa sa inyo yung website. Yun, if you're dealing with 3 business owners Filipino, because as ng confidence talaga yon. Now you're talking to actual business owners, whether they pay you or not doesn't matter because ang ganti yung confidence mo sa simula eh. When you talk to 3 business owners, tataas yan. Di ba? Now you either keep doing websites for affiliate marketing income or portfolio na yon para magkaroon ka ng freelancer na sa social media. So, business owners na they by themselves. So, classmates,
Obviously.
clarify lang natin. Okay, so next, okay, you read the website. No? What made you excited when you first read about it?
I just saw a total of 70,000 worth, which is I cannot break down, but what I can remember is yung mindset nga, yung anti-quit audio, no. And I know it might not be easy, but it has to be fun. I would say about sa AI, how AI can help yung business. So It could help my wife's business or some other people business being sa salesperson or marketing in a workshop. So this is my first workshop na ma-attendan related to that. Although before mga cellphone sa
America? What do you mean by that? I work.
yun yung first kong experience sa BPO, sales representative. iPhone ano pa noon, 6 pa noon, iPhone 6s.
Wow. Oh.
And I just wonder in a website, and it's not
Talaga
my
to, no? Verbal selling itong
yes,
ginagawa
sir.
ko. This is brand new, so I didn't teach this in the first batch. Unang-una, I haven't done it in the first batch. But this one, since nagawa ito, but I don't plan on teaching this in every batch, by the way. I find it very, very valuable. Sometimes too valuable na parang I don't want everyone to know how it's done. So this is the website to promote the workshop, right? No,
Yes po.
if you notice, something is happening. Can you see what's happening? So those are the comments binong first batch and second batch of the workshop. Shorten. These are the actual words. So when you scroll down, andyan lang. Believe it or not, these are also the comments stated by the first batch naman. These are the actual words na ginagamit nila. These are the longer version and these are the shorter versions of what they said. So, ang tawag dyan, di ba? Itong testimonials yan, di ba? Ang point dito is, this is one of the marketing tools na dapat meron sa isang website. Now, I don't know kung sa ibang websites, especially marketing websites. Because sa tagdukto sa internet, I've never seen this before. I just made it up. From list of testimonials, magiging ganito. You see a lot of other websites doing it this way. This is a slider. Yeah.
Yes.
This is not a slider. It's a pop-up yan. Okay? And even if you buy pop-up software, they don't have this. Tatambakan mo ng testimonial. Parang somebody purchased something. Meron din this one, you can just execute it yourself without paying anything. Knowledge how to do this sa client, gusto kanya testimonial. And among the many things that makes something sell is that, so anyway, so that wasn't possible years ago. It's very possible na. Anyway, tell me the final push that made you say, sige na, bibili na ako nito. I'm gonna register. Do you remember the final push?
Final push, siguro yung, of course, to start nga yung, which is first when I bought Second Income's book. This is it sa workshop. Hindi siya from my salary, but from my emergency fund. I'm saying that kasi situation namin. Well,
yes, that's true. That's true. Tapos culture behind the scenes. Or in reality, ito yung trabaho ng mga virtual assistant ng lahat dito sa workshop. Work for some famous guy, kahit hindi siya online marketer. This is what the people behind the scenes do. This is the back office work. Parang Tony Robbins, kailangan klaseng website. Gets emails, gets payments. That's what we do, di ba? Hindi tayo gagawa ng website na fun lang. It will get emails. It can get payments kasi nakaset up.
But I know there will be a cost. But as long as I understand kung paano.
They just edit template. I also watch those. In-edit nila yung template tapos it looks nice. You know, it's an even faster version as the one I taught in batch 2. This is way faster pa. So, sobrang bilis gumawa ng website, complete with text, images, and functioning buttons. Okay? So, ano ang challenge na dinadala mo into the workshop?
Para graphic artist, no? Okay. Talagang beginner talaga, no? Voice, presentation, talks, and yun yung unfair advantage din siya.
Explain mo nga sa akin nga, what do you mean by unfair advantage?
I mean, what's wrong?
Hindi ka marunong marketing, yun lang yun. Yung website, yung marketing page, mag-marketing, which is what we're gonna learn here. Kasi explain ko sa inyo, we're gonna design sales pages. We just use the word website because everybody knows it's a website. But it's actually a sales page. Tapos explain ko sa inyo. Tapos pati yung template, explain ko sa inyo psychology. Plus, I appreciate the fact na sinabi mo, challenging talaga maging graphic artist. Sa merong graphic artist na gumawa ng images at layouts. Kaya a lot of graphic artists, they go into website design. Ang problema, it looks pretty, but it doesn't work. Ay, pang web developer yan. Web developer and graphic artist. Di ba? Tapos magharap siya ng copywriter kasi pumili ng words. Di ba? So yung copywriter, mag-hire niya. So medyo 3 people yung work. Dating sa graphic art, we're actually gonna bypass all the limitations because ako din, hindi ako graphic artist. Ito nila. Alam yung graphic artist, they do stuff, they don't explain it. Even YouTube, just a little bit. Tapos, why? Yeah, just to the left, So we're gonna bypass all of that. Can be graphic artist, benta online. We're still going to make websites na beautiful. Beautiful pa rin, wala pa yung choice. You're doing the pre-launch event. So how is it? Kwento mo naman sa amin.
Yes, yung sa batch 2, I think 3 parts. And it was explained well. And it's there to step by step. And sobrang nung video until you publish it on the groups or then dun sa goods. Then yung website format, ang goal is i-destroy yung aware na sa upcoming workshop. You get the feel of it, parang ganun. Part 1, sa batch 1, ongoing pa ako. Procrastination, which is then on my own profile. Sobrang na ako. So that's so
Tingin ko lang for you, for your sake, and learning all this stuff, the skill stuff, that's just half of the equation. The other half is the painful part. Painful pag super introvert ka. Are you an introvert? So friendly ka.
friendly ako.
Very good. Kung hati is collaboration, and talking to so many strangers. Sometimes not, the other half is really getting into conversations with people, strangers, na pwedeng maging referrer mo ng mga customers for affiliate marketing or for even, gusto mo ng website, ganon. I'll give you an example na my brain wasn't ready. Pero if I was ready, it would have been easier. So I was in a seminar kahapon na pinakaunang e-commerce store. So that's 15 years. Anyway, so Lazada Superstars. Lazada Superstars, tatlo sila. So I didn't say what I was supposed to say, which is something like you will say. They're like superstars in Lazada. I got their names. I didn't even ask them their store name, which is obvious, di ba? Superstar sila. I didn't even ask them, may website ka na. As simple as that. I forgot. I only realized no, may website sila. I could have just offered you guys to make websites for them. Yeah?
Yeah.
Na, if you want, you do a lot of that. Yung wala akong website, make it. So either you do the website for them or you just refer it to the other people. Pero ang importante kasi doon, you have this practice of, you're a stranger, may website ka ba? Wala.
We're coming from a place of helping.
Yes. Instead of I'm gonna help these people. Si Kim, so I can ask her again about them. No, it was a missed opportunity. Kasi so if you put that in your schedule na you'll be meeting strangers, katulad ng ginawa. Kaya ako nandun sa event to meet strangers. Hindi talaga to listen to the speakers. So yeah, anyway, so kung half of your time is also devoted to meeting strangers, listening to them, then ask them kung meron. That really helps. $3,000 isang website. Okay, foreigner 3,000 is fine. Local is $1,000 is fine. That's I did that this year. Website. Hindi pa nga website na may email Website lang. $1,000. Local. So hindi siya, actually mga $2,000 siya total to the local na $1,000. So anyway, let's end properly. So thank you for sharing your experience. No, if someone is thinking about joining our 3 nights client getting website launchpad, what would you tell them right now?
I would say this is going to be fruitful sa experience ko, learning from other people internationally stuff. I can see the same with Sir Jomar, how the value is being provided, then how it's gonna work for your business, for your clients, for your own experience. I've known him na rin, and Sir Jomar may touch ng spirituality dun sa, which is di ko na, and I mean, there's more dun sa output, no, but something inside of me, the Sir Jumar, no, na remain meek, or blessed, stay blessed, but at the same time growing yung ano.
Okay lang, no guilt yan to earn extra for the family or even enough, di ba? It's our obligation as tatay, fathers of the household. We are not called to become like Francis of Assisi na super poor. Kasi galing siya sa super rich. O yun, thank you so much, Rowell, for sharing your experience. I let you say that like final invite, write one sentence to encourage them to go join us in July 21, 22, 23.
Yes, of course. On July 21, I am inviting everyone, my friends, my colleagues, and the people that I came across na may mga business. And this is it, guys. I've known him since 2011. Ito yung pinaka mababa, no? Solo, just 1,999 pair, 'di ba? May discount. Hindi nga siya 4,000 but just 3,000 plus.
All right, thank you so much for your time with us today. Ito yung free lunch activities. And guys, sumali na kayo, July 21, 22, 23. Thanks, Royal. And call upon the dads who are listening, watching. Sali kayo para mas masaya. This is like, gawin naman natin siyang daddy event. Hindi
Yes,
lang
yung pair nga, yung pair price,
Hmm.
may discount ka na,
Hmm.
'di ba? On its own. But this time, everything is online. So, I'm calling all the dads out there.
Together kayo sa isang device or dalawa kayong magkahiwalay. And it's gonna be a great bonding time for parent and child. Tapos, matututo talaga kayo ng marketing. Kasi serious. Whatever you're selling, no? Kaya yan. Okay? God bless everyone. Thank you, Roel.
Thank you, Sir Jomar. God bless.